Split AC versus window AC. Which one suits your home better? Dear friends planning to buy a new air conditioner but confused between a split AC and a window AC? Let's find out which one is the better choice for your home. A window AC is a single unit that contains all the components inside one box. It is installed in a window or a wall opening. On the other hand, a split AC has two separate units, an indoor unit and an outdoor unit. When it comes to cooling performance, split ACs generally provide more uniform and efficient cooling, especially in larger rooms. Window ACs work well in small to medium-sized rooms. Noise is another important factor. Since the compressor is placed outside, split ACs operate much more quietly. Window ACs tend to be noisier because all components are housed in one unit. In terms of appearance, split ACs look modern and stylish, blending well with home interiors. Window ACs are more basic and may affect the room's aesthetics. Installation costs are usually lower for window ACs, making them a budget-friendly option. Split ACs require professional installation and have higher initial costs. For energy efficiency, inverter split ACs often consume less electricity over time compared to conventional window ACs. So, if you want better cooling, quieter operation, and a premium look, choose a split AC. If your budget is limited and installation is simple, a window AC can be a practical choice. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.